Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the IKEA Credit Card. The IKEA Credit Card is designed for shoppers who frequently purchase furniture and home goods for IKEA. It offers rewards on IKEA purchases which can be redeemed as discounts on future shopping trips. The card also provides additional rewards on everyday categories like gas, dining, and groceries depending on the version of the card. One of the main benefits is the ability to earn rewards quickly if you often shop at IKEA, along with promotional financing options that let you pay off large purchases over time without interest. It also has no annual fee, which makes it accessible for regular customers. However, the rewards are most valuable when redeemed at IKEA, meaning it may not be as beneficial for people who shop there only occasionally. The financing option requires paying off balances within the promotional period to avoid high interest charges. Overall, the IKEA credit card is a good choice for loyal IKEA shoppers who want to earn rewards on their purchases and enjoy financing flexibility, but it offers limited value for those who do not shop there frequently. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.